Slightly unusual sight of the Gouda Bridge for the start of day 2 of the Berg Canoe Marathon. That's as a result of hyacinth infestation between Zonkwas and Gouda. It does mean that there's a 13-kilometer discount off the 46-kilometer day, so it's 32 k's from here to the headwaters of Misverstand Dam. Team Bamboo Warehouse started with 1 minute and 40 seconds in the bank when they left Gouda Bridge, and they gradually ground their way through the shallow water, picking up water as they went along and extending that lead. Graham Solomon's plan for the day was no mistakes, and that's the way it panned out. Boros eventually, with Solomon, got down to the headwaters of Misverstand Dam, all the time driving a wedge between themselves and their chasers Keith Muhl and Joop van Bakel. Muhl's love affair with the day 2 weirs continued as he took a swim, and that only helped balloon the lead that Solomon and Adrian Boros had when they got to the finish at the headwaters of Misverstand Dam.
And everything was going pretty well for us. I think everything was going pretty well for them as well. And then we saved all our mistakes, I think, for the last 10k. So it was a bit like England football yesterday, wasn't it? They started well and then it all fell apart at the end, and that's how it felt for me today.
Yeah, it was a good day. We didn't do any mistake. We went fast. I was pulling so hard. Graham was pulling so hard down to the rapids. I'm always pulling to the flat part, and I think it worked.
Still comfortably in the top 10, consolidating her 6th place overall, Bianca Bevitt was looking solid with Crispin Thompson as they have a total stranglehold on the mixed competition. Tactically, day 2 of the Berg Canoe Marathon is the day that counts. This, if you're going to make a move, is a move that's got to stick, because day 3 is batch and day 4 should be consolidated. And day 2 is what Graham Solomon and Adrian Boros did exactly that. They made it count. A lead of 100 seconds suddenly became 8 minutes. They're holding all the cards at the end of the 33 kilometers that ended here at Bridgetown.